Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very trending and effective bedtime weight loss drink that helps to cut your belly fat. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I've taken apple cider vinegar. Brand is totally optional. Choose an ACV with mother vinegar. It is high in healthful substances, helps to kill harmful bacteria, helps to lower blood sugar levels and manage diabetics, aids weight loss, boosts heart and skin health and helps in weight loss as they break down the fat cells and convert them to energy. Add a tablespoon of ACV to a mug like this. The next ingredient is lemon. You will need about a tablespoon of lemon juice. So half the lemon is more than sufficient. Add it to the mug. Lemon on the other hand boosts your metabolism and thus helps in weight loss. Lemon also helps in reducing the calorie intake. Then to this add quarter teaspoon of dry garlic powder. Garlic is a very healthy ingredient. It has a lot of medicinal properties. It is highly nutritious and has very few calories. The active compounds in garlic can reduce blood pressure. Garlic improves cholesterol levels which may lower the risk of heart disease, contains antioxidants, detoxifies heavy metals in the body, improves bone health. Then add in a teaspoon of chamomile. Chamomile has a lot of health benefits such as it reduces weight, treats diabetics, lowers blood sugar levels, reduces inflammation, helps in weight loss, prevents cancer, helps with sleep and relaxation, treats cold symptoms and also treats skin condition. Now to this add 1 cup of warm water and mix it well. Let this rest for a while. Then strain and add it to a mug like this. Drink this 10 minutes prior to going to bed and also make sure to have your dinner before an hour to drinking this fat cutter drink. This drink improves your metabolism while you are in sleep and cut down the belly fat. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity. So do try this fat cutter drink at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.